Hello everyone, in this video I'll discuss how we block the inbound firewall and outbound. At first you need to what is inbound and outbound traffic, and what is the inbound and outbound firewall rules. Why we need to know inbound and outbound firewall rules. What is needed in inbound, and an enterprise network have inbound traffic and outbound traffic. The inbound requested organic from the outside patterns, such as the user with a web browser and email client, a server application makes several requests like FTP, SSH, or API calls web services. Outbound request, on the other hand, originated from the inside the network. Destined for service on internet or outside network. Firewalls are typically designed to prevent inbound traffic from the entering network, but can also prevent outside connection from the receiving outbound traffics. And in this, now I want to discuss about the difference between the inbound and outbound firewall rules and the outbound firewall rules. The configuration of firewalls can be business as network and breaks specific. So the configuration for a manufacturing business as firewall, for example, will like a bit different from of the cloud service providers. Firewall customizable firewall rules enable specific ports, IP addresses, services, and connect to out. Sometimes dedicated firewall applications or offset cloud services, such as the secure web gateways, used to outbound traffic because of the specialized filtering technologies necessary. Such systems often platform targeted functions like content filtering or emailing or web browsing. They often tie into business directory services, Active Directory, or lightweight directory access protocols, so they can provide access filtering. Otherwise, firewall system look out with malware and security-related threats, including DNS lookup, to also known as the threading of the block list, and sometimes it's need to if you have some software installed, if you wanna close the update, you wanna to stop the updating the software, and if you don't want to give in the data to software, many software track you with your activity. If you close the inbound outbound traffic, that didn't track your software, and sometimes if you are using some software that's you use illegal, like as crack, like as patch software, this is the illegal thing. This purpose many person use this block the outbound firewall to block the software. That's why the software provider don't track this software was installed is illegal way. But this is very a problem for a software provider, because they lost their revenue for the software, and it's a and their price is increased. So that means inbound content is indeed some good work, but don't use this process for any illegal or any unauthentic purposes, because I've discussed that this is very problem for the software publisher and the hacker and another who as hacker is benefited for this purpose, because they have collected your data, or they can hack your PC. So that's now I show you how you block a firewall from any software. Okay, just click the settings and security settings, and go to the network and sharing on the network and internet, and go to the Windows Firewall. This is the Windows Firewall and network protection. You need to go to the advanced settings. Here is the several allow an app through the firewall. If you use some app to access outside of the internet, then you can make a tick mark here to access the software. And I want to block some inbound rules. This is the advanced. Go to the advanced settings and click the yes. Click the yes. Here is the main interface of the Windows Defender Firewall and Advanced Security. So here is two things: the inbound rules and outbound rules. Inbound rules. Here is some give this every software is don't software. Here is a system file and network file and many software file, and with a green check mark, it is the firewall is enabled, but firewall is allowed. And on the red marking of this, this is the firewall is blocked. You just see that in NDX here is a firewall is blocked. You know that NDX is the remote controlling software. You can use the remotely your PC from anywhere to access. So if you block the inbound or outbound rules of NDX, but other one cannot use your PC remotely because they cannot connect with us this server. So it's need to, need to allow the inbound rules. Otherwise, in the outbound is the same as same things. If you block the outbound rules, the other subject cannot connect to. Like us, if we use Skype in this purpose, what Skype do that? Skype is a software, and another computer have another Skype. So someone can message or call you, then they send it to Skype server, and they send to Skype software, and this software is push it in this server is push it in Skype to your software. If you block the outbound firewall, then they don't send the message to the Skype server. So this is cannot send. And after that, if you block the inbound rules, you cannot receive this message. if another Skype user has a allowed the outbound rules, they can they can send this message to the Skype server. But if you block the inbound rules, you cannot message this. You can't receive these messages. This is the simple things. It's come from the network, and in a specific apps or software, you can block the incoming, like as incoming network, block the incoming network or outgoing network, or you cannot, if you block the outbound rules, you cannot send the message. And if you block the inbound firewall, you cannot receive the message. This is the simple things, and now I'm showing how you block. If you wanna block some software and make a new rules, and you just see the rules and type the program. Okay, next, and select the program path, and select the program path. If we wanna block the Filmora, want to share outbound rules of the Filmora, what you have to do here is some application file. Sometime many software has one application file, but you saw that here is a several application file, but this is the main application file. Want to share Filmora X is main application file, but this is a directly connect to the Filmora's communicate. They check the regular updated and check your PC software's validity, everything. If they found error, then if they have an update of the software, then they can notify you to download the updated. If you block the outbound rules, they cannot send you the update notification and other things. If your license is expired, then they can easily track with this firewall. But if you block this inbound rules, they cannot track you with your license is expired. So if you wanna block something, just here is some several function. Different software has a different process. Software effect installer is another component plugins of the Filmora. They can connect from the Filmora effect library and then install to software to Filmora. That's in need to allow. But I want to block this for the your learning purpose. So I have blocked the effect installer. If I block this, you cannot install software from the effect library or effect shop. Next, and click the allow this connection. Allow the connection if it's secure, and block. Just simply block the connection and click the next and domain property. Okay, next, and you need to rename that's because if you need to unblock or allow or delete these rules, it is easier to find out. So you need to Filmora effect library. Just and this description is finishing. Okay, this is finished. If you wanna download some effect, I think this is not working because they cannot connect to the software. Okay, just I'm deleting this Filmora and allow this software, allow the connection. Okay, if I allow this software, I think you will easily download. Where is the download? Oh, sorry. Here is something I have blocked Filmora main file. That's why it is not connected to the Filmora library. And it is simple. Is inbound roles. Oh, sorry. I have blocked the Filmora main. That's why it cannot connect to the server. And it is same as the inbound rules. And just make rules and what rule program you wanna select it. I'm just selecting a program. Okay, FF recorder, and next, and block this connection. And how will delete? Just click and where I have made a Filmora. Where is the Filmora? Need to find out it. Where is the Filmora? It's Filmora effect. Just click that, delete the rows and delete. Yes, I think I'll know something about the outbound and inbound. Thank you for sharing.